Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2021. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use grow bounds. Grow bounds will extend or expand the bounding box around your layer. So here I have this animation. The VW bus comes in, it hits my logo, and then I have a shatter effect on it, which looks pretty cool. However, the effect is confined by the bounding box of the logo, so it doesn't look very realistic. It's confined to this perfect rectangle. To fix this and extend the boundaries of this layer, we're going to apply an effect called Grow Bounds. You can find it up in the Effects menu by going to Effect, Utility, Grow Bounds, or you can come over to the Effects and Presets and just do a search for Grow. You'll see Grow Bounds. Just click on it and drag it right onto your layer that you want to extend the boundaries of. Select the layer that you applied the effect to. Go up to the Effects Controls. You can see there's that Grow Bounds effect. There's only one setting, so I'm just going to click in the pixels and I'm going to drag it, and you'll see nothing happens. That's because the Grow Bounds effect must be on top of the stack in the Effects Controls. So I'm just going to click on it and drag it above the shatter effect. And now when I crank up the pixels, you can see that layer is expanding past the original bounding box. So I'm just going to crank this way up to get the effect that I want. And now when I preview that animation, you'll see the VW hits the logo, and when it shatters, it's no longer confined to that original bounding box. And that is how you use the Grow Bounds effect in Adobe After Effects CC 2021. My name is Mike. Cheers.